Hey peeps, it gives me great pleasure to announce the 2025 Kittenish Behaviour Sewing Retreat. This year we are going to be at the amazing Northcourt House, which is a Jacobean manor house in the beautiful village of Charles on the Isle of Wight. This beautiful Grade 2 listed property was built in the 1600s and is absolutely stunning. It's set in 15 acres of glorious gardens and the interior of the house is absolutely gorgeous. We have a grand reception room which will be the sewing room for the majority of the stay. We may also be holding a gala dinner there on the last evening of the retreat. There is a gorgeous dine-in kitchen which will be more than big enough for all of the retreat goers, and it also gives you the opportunity to watch the master in action, my lovely mum. She has requested to do the hosting and catering for this retreat. Now before anyone panics, mum is an amazing cook and was the caterer at the pub that we lived in for quite a few of my formative years. She's already planning an amazing menu and is very happy to cater to different dietary requirements. There will also be a fabulous sous chef helping mum, and that sous chef also happens to be an amazing baker, so there will be lots of lovely treats for the cream teas and enforced tea breaks that I make everyone take. If you haven't seen or heard of the KB retreats, they have morphed over the years from a 2-day bag making retreat to this year's 1-week extravaganza of an event. We will be making bags again, and I do this because bags fit everyone. They are small projects and they are so satisfying to make, especially with some of the more intricate patterns that look mind-boggling, but when you actually break them down are quite easy to sew. There's going to be lots of evening entertainment. We have quiz nights, we have game nights, we do go out for dinner a couple of times, and there was also a gala dinner which happens to be my birthday and the last evening of this year's retreat. The event's going to be running from the 25th of April till the 2nd of May, and I currently only have 4 spaces left available, so if you are interested, I'm going to link to the blog post about the retreat which has the full itinerary and the price list and the different types of rooms available and all of the fine print and nitty-gritty that hopefully give you all the information for you to want to join us this year in Northcourt House. We already have one non-sewing member joining the Sewing Peep this year, so if you do want to join us but don't want to come alone, you can bring your friend, significant other or a partner who isn't a sewist and they can join in on all the fun. If you are interested in booking a place, please email me at this email address. I'll also put it into the description down below, and it is also listed on the blog post at the very top where it says make a booking. Let me know that you would like a place, if you want to bring a non-sewing peep with you, if you want to hire a sewing machine, and if you have any dietary requirements, and I can get you an invoice sent out for the deposit. The sewing retreats are always so much fun, and this year is going to be no exception. We have 4 full days of sewing in Northcourt House, and we also have 2 days off where we will go out and either explore one of the attractions on the island, or we can go out on a fabric shopping exploration. We do have a fair few fabric shops on the island and we could do a tour of those. There are so many different activities on the island, although it is a fairly intensive course, so a day off of actual chilling and reading in the sitting room might be something that you prefer. As I say, there are only 4 spaces left, so if you would like to book, do please email me with all those details to this email address, and again it will be linked in the description. It's also the first thing you can see on the blog post. I hope you can join me at Northcourt House this year. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be so much fun to have such a grand house to ourselves and to spend some lovely time with like-minded sewing peeps making up beautiful bags. I hope you can join us.